Hello students. So in this tutorial we are going to see some advanced settings and the method for doing location tagging. There are some advantages of adding certain elements like the location of your video as well as choosing the category and also enabling commenting as well as telling YouTube about the language of your video and other related stuff. So let us check out how we can do this in our interface of YouTube itself. Out here, as we have seen in the previous video, we have completed the part of adding a title, description and tags. Besides it, for doing the advanced settings, there is this tab at the corner. Once we click on this tab, we'll be seeing various settings related to our video. Let us check how we can work on these advanced settings. The first important thing is to select the category of our video. Depending on the content that we are adding, we should make sure that we select the category because basis that the particular video would be classified, and when a video is played on YouTube, the category and the license of it is shown to all the end users. So make sure you select the right category. The best thing would be to understand what your core video relates to. If it is something regarding gaming, then you should go ahead and select the category of gaming. Like this particular video about used cars would belong to the category of cars and vehicles. So depending on the same, do this particular selection. Then there is the part of allowing comments. Here by default it is being checked. You can even uncheck if you do not want to do so. Ideally, it would be good to allow comments so as there would be interaction from the users. Important thing which one should keep in mind regarding this is either they can directly have the viewers go ahead and comment and it being seen by the other viewers, or else you should change this to approved so as the comments are first sent to you, and past the comments have been approved, they would be visible below your video. So that's one change you should make for sure. Then there is the part of video location. This is an important element with the help of which your video will be more searchable in that particular location, as well as it will have an advantage in that particular category and in relation with the keywords and description of it. To understand this with a better example, let's say that you are selling used cars and there are around more than 100 dealers of used cars. Out of them, let's say even 20 dealers are using YouTube and even they are promoting their video, and they are in the same area where you are living, like Texas City or New York City. Now when there are searches related to used car, or when there is people consuming videos related to it, for the same set of keywords about used cars, because you have used location tagging and made it known to YouTube that your video is about used cars and you have selected your video location as Texas, that particular latitude and longitude with the help of the map, then there can be a higher preference, preferably for your video whenever there is data consumption about used cars happening in Texas City. And if the other players who are uploading video have not used this element and kept it blank, then they have their video being labeled more generic. So that's a great important way which will help you to get more local business from a specific location. So make sure wherever your business entity is, you go ahead and mark that in this video location. Once we are done with that, the other part is about selecting the video language. Basically, English is shown by default, but if you are creating your video content in any other language, you can search from the drop down below and choose that particular language. So whichever different language maybe you create a video in, there is this long list of languages which are available. Once we have seen that, we have mostly understood the major part of basic important advanced settings. Once you have changed all of them, the best thing would be to go ahead and click out here on save changes. As soon as you do that, you will see a confirmation in the form of all changes have been saved. So with that being said, we have seen the advanced settings which will help us get better performance of our video. Thanks. See you at the other side.